Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be doing a custom build with the MZ60, so let's get into it. We did most of this build on my live stream. If you guys want to go check it out, it'll be in the Twitch link down below. But yeah, most of the clips from this video are going to be from my live stream, so sorry about quality purposes or anything wrong with that. But yeah, just a heads up. To start, when we were building the keyboard, we did the foam mod first, we did the stabilizers, and then we did the switches, then the keycaps. The keycaps we've moved around a little bit since I've ended the stream, but everything's mostly the same. Alright, so that's what it looks like without any of the keycaps on. Alright, so this is what our foam job ended up looking like. Or what I hope it's gonna end up looking like here. Not bad at all. So after we were done with the foam, we put the PCB and the plate back in, and then we started working on the stabilizers. So first what we did was take out the stabilizers, and then we put the band-aids in right underneath where they would be for the band-aid mod. We then had to snip 2 pins off each switch 60 times for each switch on the MZ60 since it's a 61 keyboard. After we were done with the stabilizers, we proceeded to put the switches in. The switches we chose for this build were some Gateron Milk Blacks, a linear switch. After we were done putting the switches in, it was now time for the final part of the build, the keycaps. Now that we're done building the board, this is the part you've been waiting for, the sound test. Alright, so that wraps today's video. I personally think these switches sound really good, in my opinion at least. So thank you guys for watching the video. Make sure you give us a thumbs up and subscribe down below. That'd be very appreciated. So thank you guys for watching today's video and have a great day.